The YITAHOME Folding Wagon YTHM001 in orange offers a robust and durable solution for transporting heavy loads, thanks to its solid alloy steel frame and wear-resistant 600D Oxford fabric. This folding wagon is equipped with a convenient collapsible tabletop, providing a stable dining surface for outdoor activities and featuring 2 cup holders and detachable side pockets for easy access to beverages and storage. With widened 360-degree rotatable front wheels and brakes, it ensures safe use on all types of terrain, offering excellent stability and anti-skid performance. Designed for compact storage, this utility cart can be easily folded and stored in a car trunk or garage, with a handle for effortless portability and quick disassembly for cleaning. Its versatility makes it an ideal choice for activities like camping, beach outings, and sports events, as well as for use in parks and yards. Overall, it is a well-rounded folding wagon suitable for a variety of outdoor and shopping needs, providing both convenience and functionality.